Last week, the first Sunday of 2013, we began a series which will take us over approximately the next 66 weeks or so, called Route 66, Discovering God Along Our Journey. And we talked about creation from the book of Genesis. We will continue that series next week, looking at a passage from Exodus, but this week we're going to have a couple come and share their own discovery of how God is leading them at this time and where He's brought them from over the last few years, and where they believe He is currently leading, and how He is going to use them. We have a couple coming that has been accepted by the International Mission Board to serve as missionaries overseas, and they will be sharing their testimony and again how God has been working in their life over the last few years, and what they expect moving forward. So they will be sharing with us this Sunday as a part of our service, as the primary part of our service. So again, we'll pick up with our series next week, but if you can be here this week, I think will be an encouraging time for each one of us, and I know they would like to have the encouragement from our church family as well. So we'll hope to see you on Sunday, January 13th.